Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the perfect stash. First, let's consider the essentials. Think about why you need a stash and what you'll put in it. Is it for emergencies, everyday convenience, or something else entirely? Knowing your purpose helps you choose the right items and the best location. We'll cover everything from selecting the ideal spot to organizing your contents for quick access, ensuring your stash serves its intended function perfectly. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about where to put your stash and what to put it in. A good location is key. It should be hidden but accessible to you. Consider a spot that isn't obvious to others, perhaps behind a loose brick or inside a hollow book. For the container, think about durability. A waterproof, airtight container, like a heavy-duty plastic box or a metal tin, will protect your items from moisture and pests for many years. Once you have your location and container, it's time to organize the contents. Group similar items together, perhaps using small, labeled pouches or zip-top bags. This makes finding what you need incredibly fast, especially under pressure. For example, keep all first aid supplies in one bag and important documents in another. A simple inventory list, updated every 6 months, can also be a lifesaver, ensuring you always know what's inside. Finally, maintaining your stash is crucial for its long-term effectiveness. Make it a habit to check the contents every 3 to 6 months. Replace any expired food, water, or medication. Also, periodically inspect the location to ensure it hasn't been compromised or become more visible. Adding a small, non-obvious security feature, like a false bottom or a hidden lock, can provide an extra layer of protection for your valuable items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.